What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best air compressor on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is JUSUOX Air Compressor. Super fast inflation. This portable tire inflator is engineered for unparalleled speed, capable of inflating a standard car tire 195/55 R15 from 28 to 33 psi in just 1 minute. Capable of reaching pressures up to an astounding 150 psi, it can fill cars, SUVs, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and other inflatables at lightning speeds. Save your precious time and effort on the road. Say goodbye to tedious, time consuming inflation. Get back on the road in a fraction of the time. Never power off. This cordless tire inflator boasts a built-in 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery and a sleek cordless design, offering unmatched flexibility and portability during your travels. With the added DC-12V backup power supply, you can rely on a stable and continuous power source, eliminating any worries about battery exhaustion. This dual power inflator combines exceptional convenience and rock-solid reliability, which make it an indispensable companion for any journey. Precision LCD dual screen. This portable air pump features a high-performance digital pressure gauge. Instantly view real-time pressure values and your preset pressure on the dual LCD screens. Effortlessly switch between 4 units, seek-pa, bar, and case empty for ultimate convenience. Achieve your perfect tire pressure every time with pinpoint precision, no more guesswork or overinflation. Feel confident on every journey with our reliable, easy-to-use tire inflator. 4N Modus Auto Stop. Experience effortless inflation with our smart tire inflator. Whether you're pumping up bicycle tires for a weekend ride, motorcycle tires for a road trip, car tires for daily commutes, or sports balls for a backyard game, our inflator's 4N intelligent modes have you covered. Simply preset your desired pressure. It automatically stops when the preset pressure is reached, offering you a safe, quick, and reliable using experience. Multifunction auto portable design. This portable tire inflator for car is no one trick pony. In addition to its industry-leading inflation capabilities, it also doubles as a powerful LED flashlight, providing bright illumination or strobe for any nighttime task or emergency situation. But the surprises don't stop there. It even functions as a portable power bank for mobile phones or other digital devices. Adopts a compact size, allowing you easy to carry it everywhere. In our list, the number 4 product name is Tire Portable Air Compressor. More refined design, smarter work designed by senior American engineers, Olgio's tire inflator portable air compressor is equipped with a high-efficiency motor and a stylish appearance to lead the market trend. M5's tire inflator can increase the inflation speed to 36 Lmin. So it takes less than 6 minutes to inflate a 195/65 R15 car tire from 0C to 35C. More ergonomic powerful air compressor. The M5 tire inflator portable air compressor is designed to fit in people's hands in a streamlined digital style. and its size and weight are extremely compressed, like a can of soda. This portable air compressor is equipped with an 18,000 mAh battery capacity that can be used continuously for 1 hour and fully charged in 3 to 4 hours. It will be your best travel partner. User-friendly 5 inflation modes. The MEM5 car air pump has 5 preset modes suitable for bicyclists, motorcycles, cars and balls. It will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset value. You can also set the pressure value to 160C to meet more inflatable products. Finally, you can easily switch between PSI kappa, bar and SMT and 2 pressure units with just one button. LCD digital display and pressure detection. This tire inflator is equipped with a 3.4-inch easy-to-read LCD screen to display more detailed values. In addition, the M5 air pump for car is equipped with a pressure gauge function, which allows you to easily monitor the tire pressure value. Portable inflator emergency flashlight M5 is not only a car tire inflator, but also an outdoor emergency flashlight. When you encounter an emergency at night, tire inflation, tire replacement, warning, and appeal for help, it can play a huge role. Professional after-sales service extensive accessories. This portable tire inflator is packaged in an exquisite gift box, very suitable for gifts, and comes with a portable bag and various adapters. In addition, we also provide you with 2 years of product quality maintenance and lifetime technical support. In our list, the number 3 product name is CYBERGOING Air Compressor. Please note, fix the air tube and device first. Insert the air tube and rotate it to hear a click. Then connect the air tube and tires. If the order is reversed, it will cause the air tube to twist and loosen during inflation. Small device inflation. Vacuum. Are you still worried about how to refill and clean your car? CYBERGOING Vacuum Air Pump solves everything for you. It provides a maximum tire pressure of 150 psi and a super suction power of 100,000 pa, which can inflate the tires and clean every corner of the car. 2x faster inflation time from 33C38C, 245/45 R19 2 means. It's the ideal tire inflator for you. Provides 4 preset inflation modes: bicycle, motorcycle, car ball, and 4 preset units: PSI K, Kabar, KXM2. With just one press, you can select your desired inflation mode, then get set and forget it. Once the preset pressure value is reached, it will automatically stop. Strong suction power. High-speed brushless motor provides 100,000 pa strong suction power. 2 suction levels easily pick up stubborn sand, dust and debris. Multi-purpose accessories equipped with an extraction accessory, it can easily tackle tasks such as vacuum bag emptying, air mattress inflation, pool buoys and more, adding versatility to your cleaning and inflation arsenal. Long-lasting performance. Enjoy non-stop operation with the efficient 5000 mAh battery, providing longer use for all your filling and cleaning tasks without the need for frequent recharging. Customer-centric service. Backed by exceptional after-sales customer service and a reassuring 1-year warranty, ensuring you have peace of mind and support throughout your entire ownership experience. In our list, the number 2 product name is SmartSafe Mini Air Compressor. Mini portable cordless lightweight AIR compressor. Cordless air pump weighs less than a pound, 0.98 pound, and fits in the palm of your hand, letting you easily store it in a car, bicycle, basket, pocket, or backpack with ease. Portable tire inflator for car let you realize that inflatable freedom. The tier air pump has enough cooling air holes on the surface, and the air tube is also equipped with heat insulating silicone can play a good cooling effect to bring you a better using experience. Battery DC power portable air compressor uses a dual power design, switching freely between cordless and power supply. The built-in battery provides cordless inflation, while the included 3-meter DC power cord can power the pump when the battery runs out. Make sure your inflation won't be interrupted by a power shortage. Meet all your daily inflation needs anytime, anywhere. Please note, it comes with a USB to TC charging cable. The compatible charging adapter 5V2A is not included. Long-lasting, durable 5000 mAh battery. The built-in 5000 mAh large-capacity battery eases endurance concerns. On a full charge. The battery can power the air pump for tires for 20 miles. Inflating 3 tires from 0C to 36P, or inflating 12 tires from 29C to 36C. A very convenient and cordless tool to inflate cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls indoors and outdoors. Data from a standard 185/65 RE tire. Real-time large LCD smart preset portable tire inflator is equipped with a large leg screen that simultaneously displays the current and preset pressure. Monitor tire pressure in real time with intuitive readouts and easy installation. Includes 4 smart preset inflation modes: bicycle, motorcycle, car, ball, and custom mode. Easy operation. Automatically shuts off when it reaches the preset value. No worrying about overinflation, smart and efficient. 4 units to choose: PSI kappa, bar, कैसे MTU. 3 LED modes, multiple accessories, tire inflator, portable air compressor features, USB output for charging handheld devices, and 3 LED modes, flashlights or strobe that allow you to work inflate in dim areas. Package includes 1 air compressor portable, 4 nozzles, 1 replacement fuse, 1 user manual. 19.2 feet DC power cord, 1 USB 2 type C charging cable. In our list, the number 1 product name is Prilotte Portable Air Compressor. Air compressor equipped with 20,000 mAh rechargeable upgradable battery. It can be used without connecting a cable. To prevent the product from overheating, use it for 10 minutes to turn off and restart. Ideal for inflating cars, motorbikes, bicycles, balls, and other inflatables. Charges for 3s to power up before first use. Portable air compressor, 16V cordless powerful air pump, has a built-in high-performance chip that inflates tires quickly. It provides 34 L mean of airflow. Inflate small car tires, 27-36 C. In less than 1 minute. Please read our user manual carefully before us. Tire inflator, 4 preset modes inflate cars, motorcycles, bikes, and balls, and automatically stops when it reaches the preset value, making it easy for beginners to use. Manual mode allows you to set the pressure value according to the object to be inflated, max 150 psi. Easy to operate it and meet a variety of inflation needs. Portable tire inflator, large LED digital display screen, shows preset values and real-time pressure, making it easy to read and observe tire pressure status in real time. No need to worry about overinflating tires. Tire inflator portable air compressor. The air pump has an LED on the top to turn it into an emergency power source in the dark, and a USB-C input port and a USB a output port on the top to reverse the power supply and use it as a power bank for your mobile phone. The product is lightweight and portable and comes with a storage bag for easy storage.